I've been with the firm now since 2022, and prior to there, I spent over 30 years in financial services in a varied role. I'm the type of person that never looks at anything of what it is today. I always look about what it could be and kind of what if. To me, PPR was very tenured, long-standing firm that had great bones, great foundation, and something that I saw was ready to take to the next level. It really attracted to me having this business that had a really good base, really good strategy, really good investor base, great team, and really unlocking the potential of what if for the firm and the opportunity for it to grow, continuing what it's doing, but also then expanding out to provide more sustainability returns for its investors. Since stepping in the CEO role, my top priorities for growth for the firm has been really going on this journey that we're now calling, it's really the vision and strategy for the firm, PPR Next, which is all really around leveling up the firm, expanding and growing kind of from the foundation that we started. There's two speeds for businesses. You're either growing or you're dying. When you become complacent, that's your first step in dying as a business. And I'm proud to say PPR has been on a great growth track. We continue there. But really the evolution of our PPR Next strategy, which is all about professionalizing the firm, leveling the firm up, and expanding the opportunities and what we deliver to our investors and the community we live in. How do I see PPR's culture? I think it really comes to life in me, collaborative and engaged as probably the two that stick out the most. From our team, how we interact with investors, how we interact with our stakeholders and sponsors. It's a very collaborative, close-knit group that's very engaged across all levels. And I think that manifests itself into our investors. We are very client obsessive. And that's something that I see in PPR, and I see the culture kind of manifest itself in that everything we do, we put the client first. Whether it's how we service them, how we report to them, or the new products and potential launches we look at, it's all about providing more and putting our client first. So there's many strengths of the firm, but I'm going to kind of go to the core that I view. First, our people. Our team, in my mind, is second to none. We've got a great, broad, diverse set of experience and deep expertise in specific areas that are important for us and our investors. The firm has been around 18 years and counting. Through that tenure, that gives you perspective and experience. So we've seen the market upheavals. We've seen the market go up and go down. We've seen market cycles. That gives you a footprint for the future to make better decisions and really ground you in a very deep experience on how to service better and how to provide better experience to your investors. And I think our investor base, we have a very loyal, that has been with us, also has good tenure. And I think that gives this the ability to grow and provide more opportunity for our investors. Looking ahead, what I'm most excited about for the future of PPR, one, it's our continued growth. And I see kind of the next levels of that coming. Two, I see the ability for us to expand what we offer our current investors. Our job is not just to provide returns and risk-adjusted returns for our investors today. It's to provide them for the next 10, 20 years. Sustainability. You have to add diversity to that. And I see us starting to add that diversity, not just in the talent we have, in our investor base and the products we offer, but also how we're looking about the future. Retail, access to alternatives, and real estate, make no mistake, is a key part of an alternative investing. It's not a normal stock and bond. We really want to lean into becoming more of the voice of the alternatives for the retail investor. There's endless opportunities there. There's endless opportunities for us to provide value to our shareholders, to our investors, to our stakeholders, to our community. And that's something I'm looking forward to really starting to dig into a little bit more and execute on.